Hello everyone, and welcome to our Tech Tuesday tutorial number 53. Today we highlight an incredibly simple yet useful Chrome extension called Extensity. So I like Chrome extensions. No, I would dare say I love Chrome extensions. The biggest problem with Chrome extensions though is that there's just so many of them. Once you start installing them, they can get a bit out of hand. You see, each extension lets you do things in Chrome that you couldn't do before. They're kind of like options on a car, and most of them are free. The issue here is that once you install an extension, you have two problems. One, it tends to install an icon in the top right corner of your browser, which can start to look a little bit crazy if you aren't conservative in your extension choices. And then two, each extension uses up a little bit of RAM, which can cause your sleek, lightweight Chrome browser to get bloated and run slowly. I mean, just look at this. AdBlock Plus, one of my favorites, uses up hundreds of K of RAM, and that's for each instance of the browser that I have open. The thing is, many extensions are only needed for very specific purposes, and most of the time you don't need them running. Installing or disabling them requires a bit more micromanaging than most people would like. To access your extensions, to manage them, you can click on the three dots up at the top and go to Settings, and then scroll down and find it, or you can actually go directly to it by clicking on the dots and choosing More Tools and then Extensions. At any rate, you're still back at this page, which allows you to then go in and turn on and off each extension as you need it. That's a bit of a pain. Well, enter the extension called Extensity, and you can find it by going to the Chrome Web Store and just typing search for Extensity. And the install is really simple. You just click Add to Chrome and say yes. And in moments it's there, and it's got a little icon up here that looks kind of like a yin yang symbol without the dots. You click on this, and then you can turn on and off any extension you need just with a couple of clicks. And so then you could say, okay, I really only need one or two things running at all times, and the rest of this stuff, I don't really need anymore. And so it's a lot more streamlined, and at any time you can come in a couple of clicks, literally 2 clicks, 1 click, another click to turn on something else. And that is about it. That's a very short Tech Tuesday this time. A little bit of an apology from last week where mine was a whopping 15 minutes long. But yeah, it's a great extension, and it's probably the coolest thing I've seen in about a week because I use so many of these things and they can get so cluttered. Alright, well I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful, and if you did, go ahead and hit that like button. In fact, support us and hit that subscribe button. If you have an idea for Tech Tuesday, put that in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.